Ready to make your podcast shine on your WordPress site, making it a breeze for your audience to listen. First, head over to Buzzsprout and log into your account. This is where your podcast magic begins. Find the episode you want to embed and click the share button or locate the embed options. Inside the share options, you'll see a variety of methods to embed your episode here. You can select the player style and even customize colors to match your website's design so the podcast player feels right at home. Now, to get the code, select the embed option and copy the provided HTML code. This code is the key to unlocking the podcast on your WordPress site. Next, navigate to your WordPress website, open the post or page where you want to embed the podcast, then find the plus button to add a new block. Search for and select the custom HTML block. This block lets you directly paste in the embed code you copied from Buzzsprout. Paste the HTML code directly into the custom HTML block. After pasting in the code, you can preview the post or page and see the Buzzsprout player appear beautifully embedded within your content. Don't forget to save or publish your changes. And just like that, your podcast is now seamlessly integrated. Listeners can start listening directly on your site. Now you've successfully learned how to embed your Buzzsprout player directly into your WordPress site. Consider the possibilities and go make some awesome content.